Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check someone's bio on TikTok. It's quick and easy, so let's get right into it. First, open the TikTok app. Now let's say you're watching a video and you want to check the bio of the creator. Let's use Womantra as an example. There are two simple ways to view their bio. You can tap on their username at the bottom left corner of the video, which will take you directly to their profile. Or you can just swipe left on the screen and it will bring up their full profile page. Once you're on their profile, you'll see their bio right below the follow button. In this case, it says, Self-growth, mindset, healing. Let's get you back to yourself. If the bio is written in a different language, no problem. Just tap on it and select See Translation to view it in your preferred language. Depending on the creator, you might see a simple description, a link to their shop, a social media handle, or a full-blown bio with multiple links. And that's it. Super easy to do. And now you know exactly how to view someone's TikTok bio and see if they've included anything useful or interesting. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.